Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, right now, this is a different angle. Over there is where I normally like film all my makeup and stuff, but it's dirty over there and the light is like perfect right here. So we're just gonna do the video right here now that the sun is like nice and shiny. So we're gonna be trying, well not trying because I already bought it and I love it. So I'm gonna show y'all why I love it. And it's the new Estée Lauder, well not new, it's actually been out for a long time. Oh my gosh. It's actually been out for a long time. I've just heard about it and it's become really popular with a lot of people. So it's the Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. I did a haul on this, but I never showed y'all. So apparently, well, not apparently, but it doesn't have a pump on it, and apparently you can go to the MAC store and get a pump. I know some Dillard's carries MAC inside, so you can do MAC makeup, or so you can get the stuff from MAC in there. Right now I'm using this is called a mingling plate, and it actually goes on wine glasses. That's why it has this little hole right there, and then I just hold it like a little palette, like a painter's palette. So you kind of have to tap and struggle with it. And yeah, I'm going to do a dime size amount. Oh, and by the way, if you want to do a clean, you know, get it back in there, just go in a circle and it goes right back in. I'm using Dollar General sponges because the girl, when she did my makeup, she used these little sponge wedges, and I've always used these in high school for like drama when we had to do face painting and doing stage makeup. So I'm gonna use this just because a girl used it and I don't want to try and do a brush and then end up hating this, but yeah. But I wore this the other day because, of course, like, she put it on me at Ulta. And I ended up loving it. It was, like, the best thing ever. So, like, that little bit covered up this whole area. So, yeah. I covered up right here, all the way up here. And I literally poured out a dime size. I'm going here. So yeah, I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll show you what the final look looks like. But so far, this is what that looks like compared to this. Okay, so. Okay, and this is what the finished look is. It's still kind of wet right here. I just finished up this part. But this is what it looks like when it's all set. And this is what it looks like when it's first done. And it does have some flashback, as there's SPF in this, so if you're out on the town and you're in the sunlight and you take a picture, your face is going to seem a little bit whiter than what you're used to. But yeah, so now that we're done with the full face, we are going to do the brow. So this is the Brow Multitasker Expert, well, it's 3-in-1, and this is in the shade Brunette. Oh, and my foundation is in the shade 2W2 Rattan, R-A-T-T-A-N. And yeah, and this has a shelf life of 24 months, so you have 2 years for that to go bad. And this is also the Bronze Goddess bronzer that I'm going to use. They also have a body bronzer. It's like in a lotion type form if you want that. So we're going to go ahead and start doing the brows. And I'm doing the brows because I'm waiting for the rest to set. One thing I love about this brow pencil, it takes a lot to use a lot. You know what I mean? So a little goes a long way, that's for sure. And then this is, oh, well, then you twist the middle and it's a powder. So it's almost like a wand. It has powder. And you just fill in the front. And it adds a nice gradual look to the front. I probably made those a little bit chunky, but we're about to do my makeup, so. There we go. And then we're going to use a big fluffy brush like this. And we're going to do the whole face. And what I love about this, there's not a lot of kickback on here. Like a little bit comes out and you can't even see it. So it goes onto the brush and it stays on the palette. So you don't have a lot of fallout. And what I love about this bronzer, it doesn't look pink. A lot of bronzers to me come out looking really pink or gray. Wow, did not notice that. So you definitely have to be careful with that. But it's okay, we can fix it easily. So as you can see, that really shows up. Let me do. Okay, so I moved on to the nose because I always say just take a breather, come back to it later on, and you'll see what I ended up doing. Yeah, you gotta be careful with this. You gotta be so careful with this. Okay, so I got this. Okay, so I was just kind of cleaning it up with this, and as you can see, there's a line. I should have went a little bit over with the line, because on my left side, or my right, your left that you're looking at it, it looks fine, but it's on my right side, or my left side, your right side, that there we go. I started going down a little bit more, but yeah, and then it's not the right, you have to blend that one corner of the outside of your nose to your eyebrows, and I did not do that. I don't know why. I was stumping today. I don't know why. I was just stumping on my makeup today. Maybe because it was new makeup. I don't know. It was almost like I forgot how to do makeup today. I'm so sorry. Okay, so to me that blended out very nicely. So now we're just kind of cleaning this up right here. So this is like very easy to like blend back. And I'm using just what's left over on the sponge. That's what surprises me. Good. I'm happy with that now. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I'll show y'all what the finished look looks like. Okay, so I put on some white to like, you know, I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to use this bronzer and I'm gonna put it right in here and see what it looks like. I like that. This over that. Good. See, it makes it very soft, natural look. I honestly would not mind this as a bridal look. I don't know. So looks really good. Well, I have to do everything else on my face, obviously, but I like how that looks already, because I use like a pink shimmery white kind of color, but let me get the black. Let's dab some black on the ends, just a little bit. And see, it just pops even more. And since the black is a matte, it calms down all the shimmering. I can see this look being very popular for the summer, even though this is kind of like an everyday go-to. Like, this look has been recreated so many times, I feel like it's just been forgotten. So I'm going to take YDK, actually, and I'm just going to pop it right in here, because it will add more of a golden shimmery look. So there you go. We're going to do just the waterline on everything, and we are going to finish this look. Okay, so I'm using Wet n Wild's Mega Last. This is only $1, but I've actually grown to like this. So I don't know if, let me just get up in here. I know a lot of people don't like it when, you know, messing with eyeballs and stuff, but just wanted to show y'all. Okay, so, you know, just the waterline. So I'll be right back. Okay, and there we have it. It's this look right here. So I like it a lot. This stuff on camera, it seems like a lot, but in real life, it does not look like this. Like, on camera, it makes it look so much like, ugh, you know, in your face. But when I'm sitting here with, you know, it looks fine. It looks blended. It looks amazing. But on camera, it catches a lot of this. So, yeah, we're about to go outside and see. But let me go outside. But in person, it does not look like this. Like, maybe if I, okay, when I get closer, I feel like it gets a little bit better. Nope. You can see, still see it on camera. So, I would say, you know, maybe this would be perfect for a photo shoot because the light really gets it. But in real life, it does not show as much. I promise. So, hold on. This is my mirror. I think in the mirror I look good. And I look on camera, and it looks like it's too much. But it's what matters in real life, not on camera. Okay? Okay. So if it looks good in real life, it looks good in real life. If it doesn't look good on camera, then frick the camera. Throw it away. Get a new camera. I say it looks good in real life, but you can't see because you're looking at the camera, or you're looking at the camera's point of view. So I'm gonna go do some errands, and yeah.